200L liquid filling machine, professional, automated, and efficient. Typical applications. Applicable to chemical, food, and pharmaceutical industries, 200L packaging barrels of non-foaming liquid quantitative filling. 2. System overview. GZM 200L explosion-proof liquid-on-top liquid quantitative filling scale adopts the method of filling on the liquid surface, which is suitable for filling a variety of non-foaming liquid materials. The uniquely designed filling head device is easy to operate, and the filling is fast and accurate, and it maximizes the guarantee of residual liquid dripping when the filling is completed. During operation, the operator only needs to simply align the barrel mouth directly below the filling head and press the Start button on the handle. The filling head will automatically insert into the barrel and automatically peel the empty barrel. Then open the filling valve and accurately fill at 2 speeds. After filling,